In a strange and unsettling twist of modern warfare, Ukrainian troops have turned the grim reality of combat into something resembling a video game. Every confirmed elimination of a Russian soldier or destruction of enemy equipment now earns them points, just like leveling up in Call of Duty or unlocking achievements in a battle royale. The program is called Army of Drones, bonus, or simply called E-Points, and it rewards Ukrainian drone operators for verified kills. You upload footage of a successful strike, and the military assigns points based on the target's value. 6 points for an enemy soldier, 20 for damaging a tank, 40 for destroying one, and up to 50 for taking out a mobile rocket launcher. They can be exchanged for more drones, electronic warfare kits, and other critical gear through Brave One Market, a military procurement platform likened to Amazon for war. The system is constantly updated to reflect military priorities, pushing soldiers to go after more strategic targets rather than simply the easiest ones. It started as an experimental initiative, but now it has become a core part of how Ukraine's drone war operates, as it generates a lot of data on how to carry this attacks, and also those points can be exchanged for more gear, more drones, and better technology to keep fighting, which adds a new layer to the psychology of combat of troops, where frontline troops fighting for tangible rewards linked to each operation they carry out. And better tech means it will keep them safer for longer. And it also means Ukraine can direct the right amount of resources to a unit that knows how to use them well. The whole scheme is monitored in real time from command centers, where massive screens display live drone feeds over the battlefield. The footage shows a high-tech war being waged from the skies, with flying robots dropping munitions or diving head-on into targets. Commanders now say that drones account for around 70% of all Russian eliminations and injuries. Of course, this all raises tough moral questions, and the footage often goes viral on social media. Clips of lone soldiers running, tanks exploding, drones chasing down targets, sometimes backed by rock or metal soundtracks. It's raw, graphic, and increasingly normalized. It's a grim evolution in modern warfare, where documenting death has become as important as the act itself. Although some units struggle to document kills due to lost footage or overlapping strikes, leaving their successes uncredited. Others argue the points don't always reflect real battlefield threats, like undervaluing enemy drone operators or air defenses. And while top performers thrive, newer or under-equipped units face a steep climb to compete.